Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are working with Pascal's triangle, and your job is to figure out the numbers that are going on the middle of the triangle, okay? To help you, I have made a Pascal's triangle program that has a prettier kind of print using tabs, which we were talking about. So if I only have one row in the triangle, that's what it looks like. And if I have two rows in the triangle, it looks like that. And if I have three rows in the triangle, it looks like that. And here's your job for the weekend, is to try to figure out how to put that number there should be 2, right? And you're supposed to do that. But if you want to print it out in a neat way, you can try this, okay? Here's 1, 2. These guys, this would be 2, so these would be 3 and 3, right? Okay. But it goes on and on like this, okay? Seems pretty good. I like the look of it. I'm kind of into it. Putting it here like this works pretty well. So it's usually working pretty well. We'll go to like 20. Yeah. Okay, but you can kind of see what it looks like here. I thought I could scroll over. Oh yeah, here. So it looks like that if it's really big. I just kind of use 2 tabs per entry. And so then each the positive and negative ones can flip flop and stuff like that, and it seems pretty good. Okay, what I did was I made a tabby triangle. We did print triangle in class, which is here. It looks like this. Okay, and then what I did was I added a tabby triangle one. So I just call it my tabby triangle method, and I don't call it my print triangle method. But that's it, okay? But you guys are going to have to process the triangle, okay? And you want it to do the work of making a Pascal triangle. So what I did was I put this on GitHub, so you can look at just the basic setup of the tabby print, and you can use that, and then you can do your work for Monday. So that's what I want to see. If you want to drop off the .java files, that would be great. I will talk to you later. And also a printout of your output. I want to see what it looks like. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.